Hey everybody, it's Justin, Bass Junkie. Changed my name on YouTube, my avatar name or whatever. But anyways, the stuff came last night to patch up my kayak that I ordered last week. I got two things of the G-Flex, the thick epoxy. It's 655 A or something like that. 655 thickened G-Flex epoxy adhesive for tough, permanent, waterproof repairs. And I got the gator patch, the big one. I'm gonna cut that in strips and put it on the bottom. I'm actually second thinking that I might put the G-Flex down and put metal down on, like a couple pieces of aluminum, because I think that'll be a little more permanent. But I didn't do a whole lot to repair it. I used parts cleaner, brake parts cleaner. I filled the bow, and it seems like it did a good job. We'll find out, I guess, huh? Hope it did a good job. But it filled in where I wanted it to fill in. Now we're gonna flip it over and sand the bottom. And tonight after work, about 6 o'clock, about 12 and a half hours, 13 hours from now, we're gonna glow it again. But anyways, I let that sit overnight, so I don't even think it's cured all the way. So I think it needs a few more hours. I think it's like 24-hour cure time or something like that. But anyways, it's just an update on what's going on with this. I'm going to make this kayak better than new. Alright, hope you guys liked it. I hope it was some helpful information. Help you guys fix yours. Alright, later.